Hello students, welcome to the Dipti Bridgewell School's digital learning classes. Here we are learning Computer of Class 8 from Rahul sir.
Uses of charts help to represent data pictorially and effectively, help to analyze the data. Visualization and interpretation of data becomes easy and clear, helps to emphasize on variations and trends in data, pinpoint the change in the data values at the point. Steps to create chart. Select the numeric data to be represented as a chart in the worksheet. Click on Insert tab, look for Charts group, choose the required type of chart. Components of chart. Every chart has following components. Chart area, the placeholder which contains the chart and its parts. Plot area, the place where the chart and its components are present. Data series, the data that is plotted as chart. Axis, most types of the charts contains data values on vertical axis and categories on horizontal axis. Axis titles, titles of the axis. Legends, these are the identifiers used to identify each of the data series. Data table, grade of data containing data series. Chart title, heading of the chart. Types of chart. Frequently used charts in MS Excel are column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart. All the above charts are used for visual representation of data, but the type of chart should be chosen carefully based on the type of display required. Let's discuss these charts one by one. Column chart displays values for one or more series using vertical columns. Values are displayed on vertical axis and categories are displayed on horizontal axis. Used typically to compare several categories, but can be used for single series also. Example: comparing the literacy rate of two regions for three different categories. Now, it is very easy to infer and analyze the data represented as chart. It makes the visual impact of highs and lows in each categories. Types of column chart. Column charts can be represented in different styles to make an impact. Steps to represent column charts in different ways are: choose the data to be plotted. Click on Insert tab and Chart group. Click on the Insert column chart option. A list appears. 2D, 3D, cylinder, cone or pyramid type of column chart can be chosen by clicking on the appropriate icon. Example: 2D stacked column chart, 3D column chart. Bar chart displays the comparison of the data item as sets of horizontal bars. Values are displayed on horizontal axis and categories are displayed on vertical axis. The drop-down menu displays the option to select 2D or 3D bar charts. Types of bar chart. Bar charts can be represented in different styles to make an impact. Steps to represent bar chart in different ways are: choose the data to be plotted. Click on Insert tab and Charts group. Click on the Insert Bars Chart option. A list appears. 2D, 3D, cylinder, cone, or pyramid type of column chart can be chosen by clicking on the appropriate icon. Example: 2D bar chart, 3D bar chart, pie chart. It is a chart in the circular format that is used to represent one data series. The circle is divided into triangular sections. Each of these sections represent the quantities as percentage, which adds up to 100. From the following table, only female literacy rate column is used to plot the pie chart, along with the state column to display the selected legends. Types of pie chart. Pie charts can be represented in different styles to make an impact. Steps to represent pie chart in different ways are: choose the data to be plotted. Click on Insert tab and Charts group. Click on the Insert Pie Chart option. A list appears. 2D pie, 3D pie, donut type of pie chart can be chosen by clicking on the appropriate icon. Example: 3D pie chart, donut chart. When multiple data items are chosen, donut chart can be chosen. Data series are represented as separate rings. Line charts, used to display trends over a time period by connecting dots. Each line indicates a data items. Consider the following table depicting the age and weight of 5 people. This data can be represented as line chart for easy understanding of the relationship between age and the weights of people. Types of line chart. Line chart can be represented in different styles to make an impact. Steps to present line charts in different ways are: choose the data to be plotted. Click on Insert tab and Charts group. Click on the Insert Line Chart option. A list appears. 2D line chart, 3D line chart, 2D area chart, 3D area chart. Types of line chart can be chosen by clicking on the appropriate icon. Example: 3D area chart. Moving a chart. To move an already inserted chart inside the current worksheet, click, hold, and drag it to the desired location in the worksheet. Click on the chart. Chart Tools tab will appear on the ribbon. Click Move Chart option in the Location group. On the Design tab under Chart Tools, Move Chart dialog box appears. You can move your chart to new sheet or already created worksheet. Based on above two options, to move the chart to a new worksheet, click on New Sheet Radio button and type a name for the worksheet in the New Sheet box. To move the chart in already created worksheet, click on Object in Radio button and select the worksheet in the Object in box. Resizing a chart. For resizing a chart, there are various options used. To change the size, manually click, hold, and drag the resizing handles of the inserted charts to the desired size. To change with the specific height and width measurement, enter the size in the height and width box on the Format tab in the Size group. Additionally, to change the size and scaling of the chart, click the dialog box launcher in the Size group on the Format tab. Then, in the Scale Height and Scale Width boxes, enter the required size. Deleting a chart. Sometimes we need to remove a chart from our spreadsheet. However, the data related to the chart remains unaffected after deleting the chart. Click on the chart border to select it. Click Clear, Clear All in the Editing group on the Home tab. Delete contents from a chart. If we want to remove some information from the chart, we don't have to recreate our chart. Click on the object that we want to remove from the chart. Press the delete key. Selected object will be deleted from the chart and the rest of the chart will remain same. Formatting a chart. Individual chart elements can also be formatted. For example, the chart area, plot area, data series, axis, titles, data labels, or legends of the chart. MS Excel provides two types of formatting tools for charts. Format Task Pane, Chart Tools ribbon. Format Task Pane provides more options than Chart Tools ribbon. Using the Format Task Pane, right-click on any chart element, for example, data series, axis, or titles, and select Formats, Chart Element option. Format pane appears with multiple options for the selected chart elements. As we click on a different chart elements, we will notice that the task pane automatically updates options related to the new chart elements. For example, to format an axis, right-click on the chart axis and select Format Axis from the pop-up menu that appears. Format Axis task pane will appear. Now we can make the changes that we want. Format chart using the ribbon. Click on the chart element in your chart. Select the desired option of formatting on the Format tab under the Chart Tools. For example, to fill the chart element with color or a gradient, picture, etc., click on Save Fill option. To outline the shape of chart element with color, weight, or style, click on Shape Outline option. To apply a special visual effect to the chart elements such as shadows, bevels, or 3D rotations, click on Shape Effect option. To apply a predefined shape style, click the desired style in the Shape Style group on the Format tab. To see all available shape styles, click the More button. To use word art styles to format text of chart, select the text and choose a desired word art style in Word Art Styles group on the Format tab. To see all available styles, click the More button.